Hello there. Today I'm going to show you an extremely easy way to convert text to speech. You don't have to go to different websites or install additional softwares. All you need is Microsoft Edge, which is pre-installed on your computer. So technically you don't have to do anything, so let's hop into the video. First, make a new text document and paste the script that you want to convert into speech. Then right-click the document and open it as Microsoft Edge. Now click on the letter A in the top right corner of the browser and the script will be converted into speech in seconds. To the two friends, the treehouse was much more than a treehouse. It was a sanctuary away from the other kids where they could be themselves without being teased or bullied. There are so many languages and accents in which the Microsoft Edge will convert the text. So that's how you can create text into speech without using any website or external software. That's it for today. If you like the video and want to see more content like this, then click the subscribe button and never miss an amazing video like this. Thanks for watching.